Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute rusty jack-o'-lantern sign. So I grabbed this palette from, I believe it was Family Dollar. I think it was like $3 in their like little craft section. We're going to use this rusty jack-o'-lantern that I made from a Dollar Tree, one of the tin pumpkins. I rusted it. There's a video on that on my page. I grabbed a bunch of different ribbons and some fabric that was from Dollar Tree also, I believe, and a little ribbon that I had on hand, and then some black and white paint. So the first thing we're going to do is paint this palette. It has 4 slats on it, so I'm going to paint alternating the colors of black and white because I think that's going to look really cute with the rusty jack-o'-lantern on it. So I did the top slat black, and then I alternated a white, and then a black again, and then a white. Once I had them all painted, I am going to let them fully dry, and then I'm going to just take a sanding block that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to really sand this down because I really want it to have like a really rustic look. Because we're using the rusty jack-o'-lantern on it, I figured that the background should look just as rustic as the jack-o'-lantern does. So I sanded it really well, and I made sure that I went right over the top of all the paint. I kind of wanted some of that wood from behind to show through, and I always made sure I got in between those little slats because I really wanted the color of the wood to come through on those also. So I just gave it a really good sanding and made it look really rustic. Once I had it all sanded, I'm just going to take my heat gun, blow dryer, or whatever you have, and just kind of blow off all the extra stuff from the sanding. And next I'm going to take that jack-o'-lantern and I'm going to hot glue that right to the center of the sign. I'm just going to add a bunch of glue on the back of him, and then I'm going to make sure he's centered and drop him right in the middle. And I already just love the contrast of the rusty jack-o'-lantern against the black and white. Then I took all of those ribbons and that fabric and I just made a crisscross bow. So I just cut pieces of each of one of them and lined them up in an X and then tied them off in the center. So I'm going to glue that right to the top of the jack-o'-lantern's head. Next, I'm going to add this little black and white striped ribbon that I had in my stash. It was already made into a bow, and I think that's perfect to contrast the colors that I painted the sign. I'm just going to add that right to the center with some hot glue. And that is it for this project. This was super easy. It turned out so stinking cute. And like I said, if you want to see the video on how to rust the pumpkin, you can check my Facebook page because there's definitely a video on there about how to do that. I think this just turned out adorable. I love the rustic look of it, and I think it would just fit in anybody's Halloween decor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.